by which lab? We're starting by the cell. This is the first lab is the cell. And after the cell, we're going to the skin and digestive system. And after that, we're going to respiratory system and cardiovascular, and lastly with the kidney. So the lab for the next week not enter our exam, which is endocrine. Okay? So our task to finish all things up to the last week, which is the kidney. So we starting by the cell. Okay? If I looking to examine you as a cell, please tell me your idea. If I would like to examine you as a cell, what I'm looking for to judge, or what I'm looking for to build a question regarding the cell.
You're probably going to ask, look, what makes up a cell? Like,
Yes. So I may ask you. Usually, I asking you about the cell organelles. So you will find a label or flag on one of any organelles of that. So be prepared yourself for the cell organelles. What this organelles? A nucleus. Thank you. And what this one?
Golgi apparatus.
Golgi apparatus. And what that? Rough ER. Why is called rough ER? Yes, because the stuck with red colored one, which is ribosome. So this is rough ER. And what that?
Smooth.
Smooth ER. Thank you. And what that?
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria. Okay. What's supposed to be the question regarding any cell organelles?
What's this function?
Function. So when I label this one, so when I ask you, identify the marked structure. Okay, so there, mitochondria. This number A. Number B, what is the function of this organelles? Is the energy house. And now, when I ask you, what that?
Rough.
Rough ER. What's the function of rough ER? What's the function of rough ER? What is the function of rough ER? Also, this is not function. Yes, is protein synthesis. Thank you. Okay.
Synthesis.
Okay. Okay.
You're just warming up. Just warm up.
Okay. And what is this?
Which one?
What is this?
Nucleus.
Nucleus. Okay. But what is this?
Nucleolus.
Nucleolus. Yes, thank you. So what is the function of the nucleus? Control center of?
The cells
Yeah,
of
it is the brain of the cell. Okay. And what is the function of nucleolus?
Is it where the RNA is formed?
Thank you. Okay. So DNA is formed here. Okay. So this is the cell. It's easy. No.
Easy.
So spotting exam is just what is this?
In the function.
A, B, the function. So the first task, the first part of our practical exam is called structural and functional identification. So this is regarding the cell. And in the third week, we talk about the skin and digestive system. Okay? So what could be proposed? The question regarding the skin. Tell me.
How many layers?
Yes. So how many layers? But how many layers? This is a theoretical question. How many layers? But this is a practical spotting. So I will put a mark here. And I ask you, identify the marked structure. What is the marked structure?
It's epidermis.
Epidermis. Thank you, Faith. Okay. So this is epidermis. I put a mark here. And I ask you, what's the structure? What's the structure?
The green thing.
Yeah. Thank you. The sebaceous gland. And what is the function? producing
Fat
oil,
oil,
which is
yeah.
called
Fat oil.
sebum.
I see.
Okay, so I put mark here, and I ask, identify the market structure.
Which one, Joseph?
Carmen, Bianca, come here, because it looks like Carmen. Come, Bianca.
Thank you, that's a compliment. What am I doing?
Come here. This is why I told you, come here. Bardes, shut up.
Carmen's gonna be angry when you told her she looks like me.
Why?
She don't like me.
You are. Just sit down. Sit down here. Yeah, so you are.
Hi guys.
Shut up. What this?
I love you.
You're embarrassing me in front of the boys. What is it? I don't know, Joseph. He's sitting up today.
So we have two glands in our skin. One is called sebaceous gland, and the other one is called sweat gland. Okay, so the green color is a sebaceous one, while the white one is
It's the sweat gland.
okay. What is the function of sweat gland?
To produce sweat.
Oh,
Regulation. Oh, like, no, what is that called?
yes, the function is produce sweat for body temperature regulation.
For
Okay.
body temperature regulation.
And what's that?
Hair follicle.
Hair follicle.
That one I know.
What is the function of hair follicle?
Produce hair.
Produce hair. Yes. Okay. And what that?
Ready, go. Which one? The red thing.
It's called what?
No, jokes.
Is that a muscle?
Yes. What's that? Bardes, come here.
What part is your turn?
Still sitting lethargic.
I'm moving.
No,
Sit down here.
I want to go back to my little comfort zone.
What's that?
that's the muscle.
Yes, okay. What's the name of this muscle? If you let me know that is this muscle, I'll write down on the. I'll not give you marks.
So we have to tell you the name of that muscle.
Yes.
That one.
What this muscle is called?
Tendon.
Tendon. It's overlapped by papillary muscle because it looks like a tendon. It's called
Erector.
erector bily muscle.
Yeah.
Erector
yeah.
bily muscle. What is the function of the erector bily muscle?
What's the function?
To stimulate the hair follicle.
What stimulate hair follicle?
To pull the hair straight.
Yeah, it's pull the hair straight. It's pull down on the hair and make the hair straight. And this is happen usually during fear or scary for something.
Wow.
Okay. And they usually function of in animal. Okay. It has no proper function in human being, but in animal because some animal is treating the hair as a spike. Okay. So it acts as a defense mechanism. Okay. So these are structures which present in which layer of the skin?
Bottom layer. The last layer.
The bottom layer. Which is the name of the bottom layer, my friend?
Are you asking her?
You're asking her. So on the top layer, what's the name of the top layer?
Epidermis.
And what is the name of
Dermis.
dermis? So all these structures are
Dermis.
located, housed into the dermis.
Ah,
So the structure of the dermis, including hair follicle, sweat
Sweat
gland,
gland.
sebaceous gland, and erector bily muscle. And what else?
Is the bottom, are you talking about the middle there still?
Yes. And what else?
Veins?
Blood vessels.
The blood vessels. Ah, yeah.
Blood vessels. And what this?
LV.
The green color and red color. What this? What this? What this?
Are they cells?
What?
Does it start with?
It's okay. looks like what? It's a receptor. It's a receptor. It is a receptors. Nerve receptors.
Nerve
Receptors.
receptors.
Receptor. What is the function of the receptor?
The green one and the big.
What is the function of sensation for the skin? So my skin, I can here now feel the temperature, it's hot or cold or like that, or even the pressure. So we have what we call temperature and touch sensation receptor and pressure receptor.
Pressure.
So it's nerve receptor. It's called what? Nerve
Nerve
receptor.
receptor.
For what? For temperature, for touch,
touch.
or for sensation.